Elementor Review 2026 Complete WordPress Website Builder Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Offer Point AI Deals. If you're building a WordPress website in 2026, you've probably heard of Elementor. But here's the big question. Is Elementor still the best WordPress page builder today? Or are there better alternatives like Gutenberg, Beaver Builder, Divi, Bricks Builder? In this complete review, I'll show you what Elementor actually does, the real features most people miss, its performance and SEO impact, Elementor Pro versus free differences, the new Elementor One AI platform, pricing breakdown, and most importantly, who should use Elementor and who should avoid it. If you want to build modern WordPress websites without coding, this video may save you a lot of time and frustration. And if you want to try Elementor yourself, I'll leave my Elementor affiliate link in the description below. Let's get started. What Elementor is. Elementor is one of the most popular WordPress website builders in the world. It allows you to design pages visually using drag and drop tools without writing code. Instead of editing your site through WordPress blocks or coding templates, Elementor gives you a real-time visual editor. That means you design your site exactly how visitors will see it. Today, Elementor powers more than 21 million websites worldwide, which represents roughly 13% of the entire internet. That level of adoption makes it one of the most widely used website builders globally. It's used by bloggers, freelancers, agencies, small businesses, e-commerce stores, landing page creators, and even large organizations. But popularity doesn't always mean it's the best choice. So let's break down why so many people use Elementor. Why Elementor became so popular. Elementor solved one major problem in WordPress. WordPress is powerful, but designing pages used to be difficult. You had to rely on themes, shortcodes, CSS, or complex page builders. Elementor changed that by introducing true visual page building. You simply drag elements onto your page, such as headings, images, buttons, videos, testimonials, pricing tables, contact forms, then customize everything visually, no coding required. This dramatically reduced the time required to build websites. Many designers can now build complete websites in hours instead of days. Core features of Elementor. Let's look at the core features that make Elementor powerful. 1. Drag and drop page builder. The biggest feature is Elementor's visual editor. You can move elements around the page using drag and drop. You can adjust spacing, margins, padding, fonts, colors, layouts, all visually. This makes Elementor extremely beginner-friendly. 2. Professional widgets. Elementor comes with dozens of design elements called widgets. Examples include headings, image galleries, sliders, testimonials, countdown timers, buttons, social icons, pricing tables. Elementor Pro expands this with 86+ professional widgets. This means you can build complex layouts without installing multiple plugins. 3. Theme Builder. One of Elementor Pro's most powerful tools is the Theme Builder. This allows you to design headers, footers, blog layouts, product pages, archive pages. Basically, you can control your entire WordPress design visually. You are no longer limited by your theme. 4. WooCommerce Builder. If you run an online store, Elementor lets you design product pages, product grids, cart pages, checkout layouts. This gives WooCommerce stores much more design flexibility. 5. Popup Builder. Elementor includes a powerful pop-up system. You can create email sign-up pop-ups, promotions, exit intent offers, discount announcements. This is useful for marketing and lead generation. New feature, Elementor AI. One of the newest additions is Elementor AI. This introduces artificial intelligence into website building. With Elementor AI, you can generate website text, page layouts, CSS code, HTML code, marketing copy, images, all directly inside the editor. This speeds up content creation significantly. Instead of writing everything manually, you can generate ideas and refine them. This is especially useful for landing pages, product pages, blog sections, website copywriting, performance, and SEO. One of the biggest debates around Elementor is performance. Earlier versions of Elementor were sometimes criticized for being heavy, but recent updates improved performance significantly. Elementor now includes optimized CSS loading, improved DOM output, lazy loading features, faster rendering. Combined with good hosting and caching, Elementor websites can achieve very fast loading speeds. From an SEO perspective, Elementor supports clean HTML structure, responsive design, mobile editing, schema compatibility, integration with SEO plugins. Most Elementor sites use SEO plugins like Rank Math, Yoast SEO, all-in-one SEO. So Elementor itself does not limit SEO performance. In fact, it allows you to create highly optimized landing pages. Elementor pricing. Elementor offers several plans. Let's break them down simply. Essential plan, best for beginners building one website, includes 57 Pro widgets, theme builder, dynamic content, form builder, advanced solo ads, 86 widgets, Popup Builder, custom CSS, e-commerce features. This is ideal for freelancers building professional sites. Advanced plan supports 3 websites, making it good for agencies or multiple projects. Elementor One. This is Elementor's all-in-one ecosystem plan. It includes AI generation, image optimization, site accessibility tools, email deliverability, priority support. This plan is designed for creators who want AI-powered website building. Pros of Elementor. Here are the biggest advantages. Elementor is extremely beginner-friendly, visually intuitive, flexible design system, huge template library, strong ecosystem, large community support. There are also thousands of Elementor add-ons and integrations. That means you can extend Elementor almost infinitely. Cons of Elementor. But Elementor is not perfect. Here are some potential downsides. Can slow websites if poorly optimized. Requires Elementor Pro for many features. Learning curve for advanced layouts. Too many plugins can cause conflicts. However, most issues are solved with good hosting, caching plugins, performance optimization. Who should use Elementor? Elementor is perfect for beginners, freelancers, agencies, bloggers, affiliate marketers, landing page creators. It's especially useful if you want total design freedom without coding. But if you prefer lightweight minimal WordPress, the Gutenberg editor may be enough. Final verdict. Overall, Elementor remains one of the best WordPress website builders available. It combines flexibility, ease of use, professional design tools, marketing features, and now AI tools are expanding what Elementor can do even further. That's why millions of websites continue to rely on it. If you want to try Elementor and build your own WordPress site visually, you can check it out using my affiliate link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, like the video, comment your experience with Elementor, and subscribe for more AI tools, hosting, and website builder reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.